This is not just a pump. It's disruptive innovation in compact pressurization.
Sounds like we are launching a spaceship.
Disruptive innovation in pressurization.
Well, it's a product launch. We got to say something.
Well, guys, let's say it's the smallest, quietest, smartest booster we have ever made. Paolo will take off the rest, right, Paolo?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
all right.
Paolo.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Paolo will take care of the rest.
Okay. It's not a spaceship. It's EsyBox Pop, the smallest, quietest, and smartest home booster we've ever made. And it's perfect for real life. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the Chief Marketing and Sales Officer of the DAB Group, Paolo Montanari.
So, what do you think? Better this way, right? A warm welcome to all of you, and thanks for being here with us tonight. We are DAB, and this is EsyBox Pop. Our new pump. No special effects, just solid work behind something that is small and easy, but extraordinary. Why extraordinary? Because it's the result of a journey that started over 12 years ago, when we start thinking how to rethink what pressure booster pump could be. Not just improve it, rethink it entirely. Since then, DAB has changed the way people see this kind of product. And I mean literally. The image in people's mind has changed. Because once a pump looked like this, a bunch of components, pipe, noise, and a lot of space. Then it became this. One unit, all in one, easy to install, easy to use. That was a turning point. And then we kept going. Piece by piece, the range grew. Now it is a full system, wide, modular, complete. Tonight we are celebrating 50 years of DAB, and we are launching our newest product. One that brings together all the steps of this journey. It is the smallest pressure booster we have ever made, but it brings the full weight of our experience and our passion. It is called EsyBox Pop. But let's speak about numbers. 4 to keep in mind. First, the weight. 4.4 kilograms. Just a bit less than 4 bottles of wine. Second, the overall dimension. To give you an idea, you could fit 4 of these in one EsyBox Mini. Really tiny. Third, the noise. It is twice as quiet as EsyBox Mini. For those of you that are familiar with decibel, it is 7 decibels less. It sounds like a small number, but it's a huge difference. Fourth, the efficiency. 2 taps, 3 taps, with more than 2 bar, with just 300 watts. It means state-of-the-art in efficiency and more than enough for most domestic application. I'm not sharing this number just to give credit to our incredible team, even though they absolutely deserve it. Please. I'm sharing this number because they help us to picture what is changing. First of all, EsyBox Pop solved pressure issues in places where even EsyBox Mini might have felt like too much. Think of an apartment. A small space, low flow. So far, it was tough to find a suitable solution. But it is not just about that. EsyBox Pop is so discreet, so quiet, so compact, that it changes what is possible. It brings pressure to places where it simply wasn't worth considering before, adding a new layer of comfort to everyday living. In new apartment, building, in renovation, in any home where pressure is not perfect or may not stay perfect, EsyBox Pop becomes a natural part of the solution, just like smart lighting, heating, or AC. It brings the same level of comfort and personalization, but to water. Remember, we make water easy. So I guess now it's clear to you why it is called Pop. Because it is thought and designed for everyone. And of course, it is connected. Just 2 months ago, we launched H₂D, our new app to manage all our system, both for installer and for end user. EsyBox Pop is fully integrated with H₂D. Together, they form the perfect system. Compact hardware, smart software, working together as one. With H₂D, installer can manage the setup, monitor and support system remotely. They can check status, receive alerts, all these from their phone or laptop. For homeowners, it means full control at their fingertips. Pressure, performance, consumption, everything is transparent, easy, and always accessible. But have you ever tried power shower? I think you should try to believe it. We designed EsyBox Pop to make your job easier and your work stand out. It is fast to install, easy to control, ready for whatever comes next, thanks to a full range of accessories and expansion. Tonight, we will give you just a sneak peek, but much more is yet to come. I promise, you will be surprised by what we will create around EsyBox Pop. We believe it is not just a great product. It is a great reason to start rethinking the way we bring comfort and performance into every home. EsyBox Pop is really pop. So, dear guests, I see many familiar faces in the room tonight. Many of you have known us for years, or even decades. And you know that in DAB, we are simple. We are practical people. And in the end, that is also how we do innovation. That is how we did 12 years ago. And that is how we are doing it again, now. Not fancier, not bigger, just easier and more human. Or let me say, pop. And starting from tonight, it fits in the palm of your hands. Thank you. Thank you.